You know that sinking feeling when you realize your perfect video won't play because it got corrupted? If you're a content creator like me, you know how devastating that can be. Hours of work gone in an instant. My name is Daniel, and today I'm diving into why having a powerful video repair tool isn't just a nice to have, but a must-have for any serious YouTuber. I'll walk you through how stellar video repair saved my channel by bringing back footage I thought was lost forever. We'll cover how to fix corrupted files quickly, the advanced repair options when things get really tricky, and break down the pricing so you know what's worth your money. Guys, make sure you check out all the useful links in the description after watching this video. There might be some nice discounts there. Thanks so much to Stellar Repair for sponsoring this video. Now let's get into it. Why you need a powerful video repair tool. Guys, let me tell you why having a good video repair tool has saved my YouTube career multiple times. As content creators, our video files are our livelihood. We spend hours getting perfect shots, and then disaster strikes, camera battery dies, memory card corrupts, or editing software crashes. Suddenly that footage shows unplayable or corrupted. The truth is, so much of what we capture for YouTube can't be recreated. That perfect reaction or once-in-a-lifetime moment is gone forever unless you can repair the file. Reshooting often isn't an option. Video repair isn't just about fixing files, it's protecting your time investment. When you consider the hours spent planning and filming, spending a little on a repair tool makes financial sense. There's also your content schedule to consider. One corrupted file can throw off your entire production timeline. Having a repair tool keeps your channel running smoothly. For me, reliable video repair software is essential equipment now. It's basically insurance for your content, and the peace of mind alone is worth it. So if you're serious about YouTube, get a good video repair tool before you need it, because at some point you will need it, and you'll be so glad it's ready to go. How to fix corrupted videos in minutes. Stellar Video Repair is a handy program that helps you fix broken or damaged video files in any format like MP4, MOV, AVI, and more. It even works with videos from memory cards and cameras, as well as drones and smartphones. On the official website, you can see a full list of what kinds of files the video repair software can recover. From there, you can also download the program. It works on Windows computers with basic system requirements, and it also works on Mac with similar minimum specs. Once you install Stellar on your computer and open it, you can add your damaged video files. Choose your language. Ask support questions on the website. Update the program. Buy a professional, standard, or premium version. And enter your activation key to unlock full features. After you enter the key, the software is activated and ready to use. You can start fixing videos by clicking the Add Videos button. This tool is useful for situations where something goes wrong during a file transfer, like when a hard drive gets unplugged or someone removes a flash drive too soon and the video gets corrupted. So we plug the flash drive back in, but the video still won't open. And it's an important video that we really need. So we click the Add Videos button, choose the flash drive with the broken video, and the program suggests clicking the Repair button to fix the corrupted file. You can also add a few more damaged videos if you have them. Then hit Repair and the recovery process begins right away. It actually works pretty quickly. The repair finishes in no time. Guys, before we move on, I try to make my content fun instead of boring. And in return, please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy the content I make. Now we can try advanced repair. The software tells us that the video is badly damaged, so we'll need to use the advanced repair option before we can save it. Let me explain. Advanced repair is used when the basic recovery doesn't work. Stellar will suggest doing a deeper analysis. For that, you need to upload a sample video recorded with the same camera or device as the damaged one. It can be any similar video file. You just click Advanced Repair, add the sample file, and the program starts a deep reconstruction. That's what I'm going to do now. I choose Advanced Repair, click Next, and now I need to upload the sample video. I pick one recorded with the same software or camera, and Stellar Repair for Video starts the deep recovery process. Now we just wait a few minutes. By the way, this exact feature once saved a travel video of mine that wouldn't open at all. I'll show you the final result in just a moment. And we can see the recovery process is running. And now it shows that the repair is complete. Only after that can we preview the file or save it. You can choose to save the file at the original location or pick a custom one. Let's go ahead and save it in the same place. We see that a new folder called Repaired has been created. Here's the damaged file that wouldn't open before. And inside the repaired folder, the fixed file is there and works perfectly. It's fully recovered. You can even check the log file to see all the steps that were taken during the repair. This is a powerful tool. It recently helped me recover one of my videos that I thought was lost forever. Stellar Repair for Video, Pricing Explained. Let's talk about how pricing works with Stellar Repair, because they actually have some pretty flexible options, depending on what you need. First off, there's a free version that won't cost you a penny. With this option, you can repair one corrupt video file. It works with almost all popular formats. The catch is that there's a size limit of 100 megabytes, which is fine for shorter clips, but won't work for anything substantial. Another thing to keep in mind is that your repaired video will only be available for download for about 3 hours after you upload the file, so you'll need to be ready to grab it once it's fixed. Now, if you're dealing with bigger files or have multiple videos that need fixing, you might want to check out their premium plan. This costs $9.99 per month, and it's a serious upgrade from the free version. With premium, you can repair up to 10 corrupt video files every month, and the size limit jumps all the way up to 5 GB per file. That's enough for most high-quality videos, even longer ones. Another great benefit of the premium plan is that your repaired videos stay available for download for a full 24 hours after upload, so you don't have to rush to download them right away. But here's what I think is the coolest feature. If the automatic repair doesn't completely fix your video, they'll actually do a manual repair for free. That means real people will work on your specific file to try to recover as much as possible. You can choose between monthly billing or save some money with the yearly option. And the best part is you can upgrade anytime. So my suggestion would be to try the free version first if you just have one small video to fix. But if you've got bigger files or multiple videos that need repair, that premium plan at $9.99 a month is probably worth it, especially with that manual repair backup option. Final thoughts. So that's why I really recommend having a good video repair tool, like Stellar Video Repair, in your creator toolkit. It saved me more times than I can count and can seriously rescue your most important videos when things go wrong. If you ever run into corrupted footage, don't panic. Give Stellar a try. Start with the free version to see how it works. And if you need more, the premium plan is totally worth it for peace of mind. I'd love to hear from you. Have you ever lost a video and wished you had a way to fix it? Drop a comment below and let me know your story or any questions you have about video repair. Feel free to check out the links in the description below. You might find some discounts there. As usual, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Until next time.